going to be by explore these fun treats, fun toys with my baby sister. Her name is Daniela. She's so cute. Look at her. So let's get opening. So I'll open this soda can first, and my sister will open these figures. Open it.
Put me up.
Okay, let's see how she will open it.
Anna, shake.
Make sure you ask an adult to help you so they can help you open up these. Open this one. Who do you got? You need help building it?
Yes.
Okay. My sister needs help opening it. I think she get this. Close her eyes. She got Mickey Mouse. Show it.
Mommy highs. Mommy highs.
So I'm gonna choose a color and eat it. I'm gonna eat this one.
Mommy hug.
So let's open it.
Baby. Bye-bye, shoe. Bye-bye up.
Aw. You can open it by yourself.
Okay.
My nails are too thin, but
Bye-bye.
I need help by an adult.
That.
And here's what it looks like if you open it. And here are the candy. So it's bright. There's a lot in there and tastes like Sprite. Tastes like Sprite, Mom.
Oh. Hey. Oh no. Egg pie. Bye-bye, egg pie.
And this is what it looks like.
Daddy has.
It's popping. So this is what my sister got.
Bye-bye, apples.
No, this is mine, okay? So she got
Yes.
Ola. So this is my sister got Ola. So let's build it for her.
Hi.
This is what she got. Daddy, look. So I want to open it again. So I'm going to open the next one. So I'm going to open this one next. So this is what it looks like at the back.
Oh.
Okay, let's see.
Bye-bye, Shane.
Aww. Here is the sprinkly. Look how cute it is. And they sent it too. Look. It's a bread. Mommy! Mommy! This is scented.
Bye-bye.
What does it smell?
Maybe caramel apple. The sprinkler is falling. It is very squishy. Which one you want to open next? This one?
Yes.
Okay, here. Here go, Dayla. Here. It's open already. Now I'm going to open these figures. I really want to get Elsa. Let's see, what do I get? Oh.
Bye-bye.
can share. Yeah. I opened it a little, but I broke.
Mommy.
Give it to me.
Who had some scissors? Whoops. So my mom helped me open it. Oh, duplicate! We got a duplicate!
Mommy. Shame.
So we got duplicates. We got duplicates of Mickey Mouse. Why that happens? Dayla, which one you want to open next?
Bye-bye. House.
Look at this poop.
Puppy.
Dayla, which one you want to open next? This or this? This? Okay. Choose a flavor. This?
Yes.
Okay, Sprite. Can you help opening?
Yes. Bye-bye fish. Bye-bye fish.
Okay. I'm gonna open it.
Oh.
Okay. My nails are too thin. I barely need to use it.
Hi, Ella.
I need help opening. So Dayla, we cannot open these two, so you cannot choose it, okay?
Okay.
I know they're very yummy. We'll choose a different one instead.
Help opening again.
Oh, it smells like croissants. Smell it. Mama, smell these two. Now I'm going
This
to.
one smells like marshmallow.
I'm going
Mommy,
to open the frozen 2 eggy. Wash. I want to get collect. What are you talking about?
Bye-bye, Ella.
Aw.
Tilt, Ella.
Can you please don't shout?
Yes. Bye-bye, Ella.
Here's the egg.
Oh. Anna. Mommy, sleepy. Mommy, Anna. Anna.
Let's see who do I got.
Anna.
Who do? Christoph again? Why do I have Christoph again? We got duplicate Christoph. And he's lost again. He keeps running away.
Daddy,
Guys, so I
bye-bye.
got a duplicate of Christoph, but I
Bye-bye,
lost the
Olaf.
other one.
Bye-bye, Ella.
Yeah. We got Olaf and I got Christoph.
Yes.
On a favorite.
Oh, bye. Bye. Okay. Bye-bye. Right.
Okay, I can put the body on. Okay.
Bye-bye up.
Oh, you cannot open it?
Yes.
Here it is. Stop. Ooh, I really want to try the chocolate. Mmm. Delicious. What do I want to choose next?
Bye-bye, Hockeys.
No, to choose the chocolate? Okay.
Yes.
My sister chose the chocolate, so I'm gonna choose the poop.
Bye-bye, Jim. Yes.
Here it is. Look at it. So gross. It looks so weird.
Bye-bye, guys.
I need help opening again, Mommy. Mama, look. Want chocolate? Okay. I love chocolate. I very like the chocolate. Give it to me.
Mama eat a sheep. Wish it.
Ooh! Ew! Ew, ew, ew. These are only so gross. Poop candy. There's poop candy. I hope they taste like chocolate. Or I hope it doesn't taste like poopy.
Oh no! That's yummy.
Oh, can you open it? Daddy, look at the candy. It's poop. What? Here's the poops.
Oh! Oh, mommy shit!
Mmm. They're so tardy.
Mommy, honey. Mommy, bye up. And then. Bye-bye, Henry's.
Mama, these are very tardy.
Ah, here's her.
Very tardy.
Here's her.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye. I'll open the rest at home. And keep the bell button like and share. See you next time. Bye.